Hello friends, I am back with one important concept from physics, that is total internal reflection, also called as TIR. So total internal reflection is what? When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then it gets refracted many times from the body of that or wall of that medium or specimen. So it is called as total internal reflection. Suppose this is some specimen and light is entering here from denser to rarer medium. Then in case of this, light get refracted many times. It is called as total internal reflection. And for total internal reflection to occur, there are three major conditions that must be satisfied. That is, n1 is greater than n2, means refractive index of medium 1 is greater than refractive index of medium 2. Second is phi I is greater than phi C. That is, angle of incidence must exceed critical angle. And third is light ray should travel from denser to rarer medium. In our day-to-day life, we see total internal reflection happening in which applications? Some applications are: first is important, optical fiber, which is used for data transmission in case of electronic circuits and which is very reliable. So first is optical fiber. Second is endoscopy. When we go to doctor and if we have some problem in our stomach or abdomen, then doctor specify us to make endoscopy. This endoscopy is based on total internal reflection. Then third is mirage. Mirage is nothing but in summer days when we are traveling through road, then sometimes we see that some water in front of us, but when we go close, then we notice that there is no water, so that there is a fake illusion, we can say. It is called as mirage. So mirage is also due to total internal reflection. One more example of total internal reflection is diamond will sparkle when light passes through it. So it is due to total internal reflection. And third is, last is metal ball shines when heated, is also due to total internal reflection. So this is all about total internal reflection. It is very much important phenomenon in case of physics, and some MCQs are also asked on these conditions, that is three important conditions for total internal reflection. And some applications also in MCQs they are asking optical fiber is based on what. So we can say that total internal reflection, endoscopy, mirage, diamond sparkling, metal ball shines when heated are all the applications of total internal reflection.